Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. We are in Joshua Tree. We're at an amazing Airbnb. I gotta show you guys this view before I do anything else. How insane. And this house is amazing. Who's here? Is it a little bit hot here for you? You're a good girl. Say hi to this microphone. Yeah. Big sniff. Also, guys, this is a new camera setup and a new microphone. I know my sound hasn't always been the best and my stability. I've had that Canon G7X for I want to say 4 years, and I've dropped it a number of times, so who even knows. But I got a new camera. I'm so excited about it. My arm is hurting right now because it's so heavy. I think it's better, so let me know what you think of the sound and how everything looks.
Spot on, John Mayer. That's an EM and a C.
You know that?
I googled easiest guitar chords. I'm gonna put this back. It might be really fancy. I have no idea.
It's the red ones that match up. Of course, now with Have it be known, I won the first round unanimously. I came in with pure talent and pure skill, and he came in here with pure luck. What's up, guys? Different scenery. We are back from Joshua Tree and we're at the house today for a work day. We are not going to the office because there was a COVID scare at the office. So we are staying safe, working at home.
Good morning.
We're about to get on the team call. My hair is wet, just got out of the shower because we have a restock today on 2 major products, multivitamin and hair, skin, and nails. And it's the first product that has the brand new label. If you didn't see it yet, we rebranded our Bloom labels. They look so beautiful. It took Sydney and I, with our label creator Julia, over a year to make. It was a huge project and I'm so proud of them. Today's about to be a crazy day. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating, what I'm doing, all of the above. So let's hop in the team call.
Let's do it.
Because we're late. Hee hee. Okay, guys, this morning turned out to be a little bit crazier than expected. I thought I was gonna have a chill work day that I would be able to also vlog, and it's not turning out that way, which it usually doesn't. My days are always crazy. As I was saying before, we are back from Joshua Tree now. We had an amazing weekend away. We had a barbecue, we had so much fun, and now the goal is to get back on track and back into routine. So we've been eating our healthy meals again. I did already have breakfast today. Now I'm having a green tea. Green tea is my favorite drink to have, especially out of these glass mugs. I don't know what it is, but they make me feel bougie. Potentially because Kardashian uses them. Kourtney Kardashian uses them.
You're lucky that I'm gracing you with my ideas.
So this morning I had a really great training session. I trained some back, some arms, and then I had a great breakfast. Since we're working from home today, I'm gonna be able to cook my lunch fresh, which is nice. And I'll probably run some errands around town. We shall see. Right now, I'm gonna sit down and get some more emails and work done and just kind of planning my calendar. Ooh, which reminds me, I wanna show you guys something else I've been using. Lately, I've just had so much on my plate, across the board. In our businesses, I kind of dabble in everything. So it's kind of difficult for me to keep track of my day and make sure I'm getting everything done that I need to. So I've been using a planner and I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing. Okay, so some days are more filled out than others, but I really write down everything by the hour of what I need to do. I put any YouTube videos. This just helps me delegate, because in our business there's literally always so much going on that I need to decide by the hour what I'm gonna focus on so I don't get distracted and do 10 other things. So I've been really enjoying this passion planner and it's been keeping me very much on track. Love her. And it's nice that I can fill out some personal stuff also. I don't necessarily follow all these, but love the empty space as well for YouTube concepts and different content I want to try. So yeah. Hi, isn't it such a nice day, mama girl? We gotta get rid of our reindeer. It's not Christmas anymore. Okay, so I'm actually in the car right now with my new Bloom tote. Those are coming soon. There'll be a little freebie on the website. We're actually not gonna have this car for much longer. We are getting a different car this week, hopefully. Low-key, I hate this car. Every time we hit a pothole, it's very loud and I don't really like small cars. I like big SUVs, so I'm excited to get a big car. Yay! We've been waiting so long to get one, but now we're settled in California. It's time. We are running to Creation right now for a smoothie because I'm addicted good to creation smoothies, and they happen to have a keto smoothie, and I'm low carb, so it's full of like healthy fats and all that goodness, and then I'll probably add some Bloom protein to it to get some gains. But yeah, I don't usually do errands like this in the workday because I'm usually like glued to the computer, but I had a second, so I'm taking it and I'm gonna go get a smoothie. Bye! Okay guys, I am with the family right now. We do this every day at midday. We go on a brisk walk, but also for us, it's like a nice work break, but also like good exercise. And we're doing it. We are walking. It's for you!
Come here.
No. Dude. Waiting for Greg to come out of this coffee shop right now. I forgot a mask, so I can't go in. Okay guys, here is my cute little lunch. This is Amari salad. She got a little bit chaotic because I forgot to put the tuna in, and then Greg added the tuna, and he doesn't understand the aesthetics of Amari salad, so he just did this. But check out my cute new little bowls. I got them from this company called Our Place, and they came in like a set that came with these water glasses. I'm really just doing the water glass for a vibe because you guys know I use my gallon jug. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Also, just got all of these snacks in the mail from Thrive, and I'm so excited about them. Some great low carb moments. I might even have a couple of these with my lunch because I'm feeling crazy. Talk soon. Okay guys, I am on the floor of my closet because I thought it would be fun to do a quick unboxing for you of the mail I got today before I head to a COVID test. So let's do that. I have a Nordstrom box right here with something inside it that I am so excited about. I love a good robe at night. It makes me feel comfy, but a little bougie. I like to do my skincare in it, and I heard rumors about this amazing robe called the Barefoot Dreams robe. I heard about it on TikTok, and it's been just on everyone's like Amazon storefront because of how soft it is. So I was like, I am not gonna miss out on this robe. Ooh. I think the Kardashians made this brand well known because they like use their blankets. Oh, I can already tell this is a nice robe. You know you're getting old when you're excited about our freaking robe, okay? Wow, this is spectacular. Oh, she faints. Okay, well, I will be rocking this tonight. I will let you guys know what I think.
12 seconds later.
I already like her. Next, I have a package from Australia, and in general, I really like Australian clothing brands and like the style. I don't know what it is. I feel like they just get it. Maybe they're like into fitness there, or it's like feminine but simple. So I just ordered a couple things from this brand I like called Staple and Hue, I think. Staple and Hue. And then I really got to run to my COVID tests, which I am not looking forward to. This is the brand. Aww. I got two cute little tops, little waffle knit v-necks. Love that one. I also got it in this blue. And then I got a little pair of biker shorts, which will be fun. I can already tell these probably won't look good on me, and I know that sounds weird. When they cut at a certain point on my leg, they just will not look good because I have pretty thick legs, and maybe if I roll them, we'll see. I'll let you guys know. That's kind of it, guys. I thought that would be more lit, but I'm sure you enjoyed it. Okay, time to go get tested.
Oh, thank you, God.
It is the end of the night now. It's probably like 7 p.m. right now, and I'm gonna close out the vlog by showing you my dinner. For some reason, this turned into a little bit of a full day of eating, which wasn't in the plan, but here is dinner made by Chef Greg. Steak, I think it's Wagyu steak. Mushrooms, asparagus, peppers. Anything you wanna add?
We had a big barbecue with some friends this weekend. We have some leftover steak, so we've been eating real good.
Yep, So I'm having that with my gallon. So we did go and get a COVID test done. We have a shoot coming up, so we want to be super safe. We don't feel sick at all, but just checking. Yeah, we're gonna have dinner now, and then I think we're gonna watch a movie and relax. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, I make videos every single week.